Let's learn one more method of string class. So now we will be learning copy value of method. What it will do is it will convert the copy value of method. It will take the character array as a parameter and it will convert that character array to a string. Okay, so let's see copy value of method. So it will be taking the character array as a uh, parameter and it will return string. So what it will do is it will convert this character array to a string. So it is a non-static method, must be called with respect to object name. Okay. So how it works actually? That's what I how it works. Which means that how it works in the sense. So it will be taking the character array as a parameter. Okay, and it will return the string. Okay. I think it is a static method. I think this one is. Let me check this one first. Okay, it is a static method only. Yeah, it is a static method. Copy value of method is a static method. Okay, fine. Let's see an example on this one. Let's see. We have a character array ch equals to, and we have let's say hello H-E-L-L. So we have to convert this character sequence to a string, right? So as this copy, we have a copy value of method which will be converting the character array to a string. Okay, we have one more alternative solution for this. Can someone tell? Copy value of. We have an alternate solution of a constructor string of a. We have one more alternative. Let me write this one. I'll tell you later. String copy value of ch. So this will convert the character array to a string. Okay. So we have one more way to do that using the constructor, which will be taking the character array as parameter. Okay. So this will also convert the character array to a string. So you can use this one or you can use this one. Okay. Let's see an example on this one as well. Let's see a real-time example. Let's see an example on the copy value of method. Okay, so copy value of client app. Okay, so we'll be taking the same example. Okay, let me copy the character array. Okay, so what here we will be doing is we'll be converting this character array to a string. Okay, so I'll say we have a character array defined. And now what I'll do is I'll be converting this character array to a string because character array is a non-static, static. I'll be called with respect to class name dot value of copy value of. Here you will be providing the character array ch. Okay, so what it will do? It will return new string. It will return the string converted string. SVUT and I'll just print that one converted string. Okay, let's run this one. Let's see the response. Yeah, so we are getting the sequence of not this one. Okay. Now it will be running the copy value of character. So now it is giving the hello as the response. Okay. So that's all. Let's discuss the another method.